Hello, friends from your Delphi family. We send you love, light, and infinite blessings from our beautiful campus and Church of Wisdom Temple Complex here at Delphi University in North Georgia. This is Charles Curcio speaking. I'm reaching out to you today for your support and generosity to beautify, update, and expand our Church of Wisdom temples. As you may know, we created and dedicated these unique buildings in service to God and for the ones who serve Him. The two original temples have been in operation for nearly 20 years. It was my success at Tire Kingdom that enabled Kimberly and I to create and build our dream. And it was truly one of our greatest adventures. We're now asking for your love and support to perform much needed improvements and maintenance to the temples and the grounds of the Church of Wisdom. We seek to maintain and improve the beauty and sanctity of our church and temple complex, and to enhance the sacredness, light, and spiritual experience these structures and grounds provide for all those who come here. Our temples of wisdom, light, and healing provide an environment of love, healing, and energy for the hearts of thousands of initiates and servants of the light who have come and studied at Delphi. Now the time has come to renew and revitalize the temples and the land surrounding them. With your help, we are planning on doing some upgrades to the buildings and the surrounding grounds, including replenishing the gardens with new plants and floral planting, displays, landscaping, and general maintenance, and also trimming back the overgrowth of bushes and trees around the buildings. The paths to the church need cleaning, exteriors need refurbishing, handrails built, and the parking area needs to be resurfaced and restriped. The flooring in the temples of wisdom and light also needs to be replaced, and some interior and exterior painting will also be necessary. The feeling of energy here is exceptional, and we wish for our students, graduates, and guests to feel this energy and sense the light the moment they arrive. Here's the most exciting news. We are preparing to realize our final vision for the Temple of Healing. Rising skyward, we will complete the interior chambers on the second and third levels of the pyramid. Above the healing chamber on the second level, we will add a meditation room, and on the third level, in the apex of the pyramid, in the tradition of the King's Chamber and the Great Pyramid of Giza, we will establish an initiation chamber. For these improvements to our sacred spaces, we humbly reach out to you, our Delphi family and friends, to help us achieve our next segment of the journey, a complete sanctuary of love, light, and healing for all who seek direct spiritual experience and self-enlightenment. The Church of Wisdom is a 501c3 charitable organization, which means all contributions are tax deductible. Your donation in any amount would be greatly appreciated and can earn you a place on and recognition as an angel of healing on our beautiful amethyst angel in the Temple of Healing. Please consider becoming a Delphi Angel of Healing with your gift of love. You can make your contribution by credit card through PayPal by using the link in this email, or by check or money order mailed to the enclosed address. Or if you prefer, you can call us directly for more information or to make a donation. Thank you so very much for your love and support. We send you love, light, gratitude, and blessings now and always. We are all so blessed to be together and to be part of the journey, and we hope to see you at Delphi again soon. May all those you love be in light, and may everything you touch turn to gold. With great love and affection, your Delphi friends and family.